Hi, my name is Mayra Kageta and welcome to a new English tutorial video. I have a question for you. Which of these sentences is correct? Letter A, the scissors is on the table. Letter B, the scissors are on the table. What's your answer? If your answer is letter B, the scissors are on the table, then you're correct. Ang scissors ay isang halimbawa ng summation plural or plurale tantum. Sa ibang resources, ang pagkakabikas dyan ay plural tantum. According to Wikipedia, plural tantum or plurale tantum means, or it's the Latin term for plural only. A summation plural or plurale tantum is a word that is plural in construction but singular in meaning. Kung iisipin natin, ang scissors ay functionally understood to be a single object. But this object is represented as a summation plural because it technically consists of two parts. Ang scissors ay binubuo ng dalawang blades, so the object is grammatically treated in plural form. Here are some more examples of summation plurals: eyeglasses, lenses, binoculars, goggles, gloves, shorts, pants, jeans, trousers, clothes, sneakers, earphones. Dahil lagi silang nasa plural form, of course, ang dapat natin gamitin na verb ay plural din. For things that have two parts, katulad nga ng scissors, jeans, or pants, pwede ninyong gamitin ang pair of or pairs of. Para sabihin kung ilang pares ba, isa, dalawa, o higit pa sa isang pares ang pinag-uusapan. For example, this pair of pants is already worn out. Since gumamit na kayo ng word na pair at yan ay singular, pwede na ninyong gamitin yung is, which is a singular verb. Ang isang pares ng pantalon na ito ay lumang-luma na. So sa sentence na to, ang pinag-uusapan natin ay isang pares ng pantalon. 100 pairs of jeans were donated to the charity. Dahil ang pinag-uusapan natin sa sentence na ito ay 100 pares ng pantalon, pwede natin gamitin yung verb na were, which is plural. Yung were ay yung past form ng are. 100 pairs of jeans were donated to the charity. Alam ko na basic lang naman to, diba? Pero marami pa rin sa atin yung nalilito o kaya nagdadalawang isip kung dapat ba nilang gamitin yung singular verb or plural verb. For example, is ba or are, was ba or were ang dapat gamitin, o kaya has or have, does or do. Diyan, kaya medyo nakakalito pa rin to para sa marami sa atin. I would like to say thank you to Nancy Tejones, Dina Goli, Rufina Apiado, Master B, Andrea Magsino, Aida Huber, Ryan Kenneth Acierto, Juliana Tabuena, Ann Kabatuan, Hot Popsy or Nathaniel, and McLevel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you learned something new today. If you did, please don't forget to click the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I'll see you again next time.